Apple MagSafe accessories are really interesting. Not only do each of them deliver a unique animation as soon as you attach it to your phone. As a fine example, the MagSafe charger will give you this animation, very similar to like how it looks like when you charge your Apple Watch. The wallet attachment will give you this look, which shows you an outline of the wallet. And then the case, depending on the color, it will actually show you the outer ring of the case as soon as you attach it, as well as a sound effect. And these new lineup of accessories were first introduced for the 12th generation iPhone. So that being said, it's available for the iPhone 12, the iPhone 12 Pro, the iPhone 12 mini, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Long title, I know. So now that they are all released, let's take a look at it and see what they really have to offer. Starting off with the leather wallet, MagSafe. Yes, you could use this without the case. It simply attaches on like so. Or you can attach it with the case, supported MagSafe case by Apple. This one happens to be the clear one. It's available in a bunch of different colors. Then for my ownership experience, the case, this outer ring, also has built-in magnets, which also increases the strength, the magnetic strength when you attach these accessories onto it. This extra magnetic strength definitely does come in handy, especially when you're playing mobile games, as you could freely rotate the magnet without having fear that it may easily come off. And to continue charging my phone while having the little lightning port taking up space where your fingers usually are resting. So it basically allows you to charge and play, which is quite nice. And then just taking it off and you attach the wallet attachment, simply just goes on like so. And no, surprisingly, if you place it in correctly, it doesn't, even if you wear like really tight jeans, it doesn't cause the wallet to easily fall off. But I can definitely see or imagine a situation where you could roughly violently just place this in a pocket or something and the little wallet attachment can easily fall off. I cannot, however, say this very same thing if you accidentally drop your device. The wallet will easily just slide off like so. And I'm assuming it will be far worse if you're not using the MagSafe case. Now the feel, the texture, the quality, the overall quality of this wallet MagSafe accessory it's actually really nice. It feels extremely premium, definitely doesn't feel like it's cheap at all. It's made out of real leather, which does give you the scent of leather, it does have that going for it. Just however, the only con I don't like so much about it is that at max it can only hold up to 3 cards. 4 cards if you really try to wedge it in, but besides that, it's very limited on its card selection. But since most of us nowadays use Apple Pay, all you really are probably just going to carry in this, if you would to get this, is probably like a debit card, maybe a business card or membership card of some sort, and then of course your ID. So quality wise, it's good. Unlike the MagSafe charger, I mean, this part right here feels nice and premium. This top part right here is actually really soft. The round bezel you see here, this actually is made out of aluminum, but I can't say the same about the cable. The material that they're using on this cable is the exact same material that Apple has been known to be using in their previous cables, and for my personal experience, and I'm sure everybody else can also relate, this cable material doesn't really handle wear and tear very well. Over time, these ends start to get loose, so since this part is unreplaceable, if something would to happen to this part of the cable, you're probably gonna end up having to repurchase the entire thing, since this 1 meter length cable isn't replaceable or removable to be swapped with another USB-C cable, unfortunately. But besides being able to charge your iPhone, it does serve other purposes, as it is Qi charging enabled, so you could charge other wirelessly supported devices on this little puck, I would say, like AirPods, even third-party manufacturer cell phones, smartphones like this Android Pixel phone, for example. It has wireless Qi charging. You could charge it this way if you want to. Just it does not support the Apple Watch. That you still have to charge in its default OEM charging puck. Now the MagSafe charger can be found for $40, and unfortunately power adapter is not included. So you could go with either a third party, save some money, but for the best performance, it's recommended to stick with the OEM one by Apple. So this 20-watt power adapter, as a fine example, retails for $20. So in total, you're spending roughly around $60 if you don't already own one. And yeah, you could connect the two bare. You don't need to have a MagSafe case to charge with the MagSafe charger, but I would recommend picking up or considering picking up the MagSafe case. It really does enhances the experience. As I previously stated, the magnetic strength does increase when you have these two products together, because the case itself does also have some magnets into it. So add in another 50 bucks and now you're at $110. But I'm hopeful in the future we'll see more third-party manufacturers integrate this ring on their cases, because currently you can find OtterBox also have MagSafe support, but of course they have that partnership agreement with Apple, so that's probably the reason why they got it earlier. But I hope to see more third parties out there to definitely make this more affordable for everybody else to also get. But then when you throw in the MagSafe wallet attachment, that just adds an extra 50 bucks because it retails for $49. So in total, we spend $150 just to experience the MagSafe experience on your new device. And that's without the additional $20 power adapter. Oh, and something I nearly forgot to mention is it's really difficult to get the cards out with it being attached to your phone. The best method is you have to manually remove it, as there's a little opening right here where you can slide your thumbs, and when taking out some of these cards, it kind of feels like you're drawing cards because you have to do one by one. There's no spring mechanism like some other expensive wallets. It would have been nice if Apple done something like this to implement it, but I'm pretty sure it will just increase the cost and also add bulk, but this is okay. Oh, and if you're somebody like me who prefers using Apple Pay whenever you have the opportunity at any terminal, there's no need to remove this back part. It actually will read the terminal through the wallet attachment. So my final conclusion was all these attachments, they're pretty cool. I mean, if you don't consider the cost, I like this integration. Really does enhances the experience on your phone. It kind of gives your device a more modular feel, which kind of excites me for the future, because in the near future I could definitely see third-party accessories or manufacturers integrating this magnetic attachment to some upcoming products. Take for instance, DJI recently released the Forward, which uses a similar concept. It uses very strong magnets to attach everything all together. This keeps everything slim, minimum, and no need to carry additional attachments. But as the time making this video, this still feels more like a gimmick. It's not quite par yet to being an industry standard attachment, if you catch my drift. So hopefully in the near future, wireless C charger manufacturers will also start integrating these magnets, because the thing I really do enjoy about the MagSafe charger is that it self-lines itself. So as soon as you place it on the device, it'll automatically center itself, making sure the phone is charging at a very efficient rate that won't cause it to overheat or damage the longevity wise of the lifespan of your device internal batteries. Just a word of caution, there has been reports of some users experiencing wear and tear on their silicone case. Usually the friction that causes this thing to rotate like so will leave little marks over time. So unfortunately it's not perfect just yet, but for the Clearcase I haven't yet noticed any marks or scratches. So Clearcase is good. Silicone, expect some circle outlines. But besides that, to this day, as I previously stated in the previous video about the MagSafe charger, this is still more like a gimmick. Although the wallet attachment, this I can actually see be more useful to some. But that's my conclusion. It's an awesome nifty device. I'm definitely looking forward to seeing more third-party accessories implement this integration on their products. Or maybe we'll see third-party, more affordable versions of the MagSafe charger in the near future. If you guys enjoyed, like to see more, make sure to check out this video over here. That's the other video that I created, going more into detail about the MagSafe charger and the case. And then that video over there, that's just a video that YouTube is suggesting specifically for you. Thanks so much for watching, take care, and I'll catch you all in the next one. See ya.